So, good morning everyone. Welcome back. So, we were on chapter number 2, which is data entry and keyboard skilling. We have studied some of the parts. Now, we will continue the remaining parts. Using typing software. There are many software available which are free of cost and are customized to learn typing efficiently and effectively. So, there are many of the software which are available free for us, and free it is free of cost, so we can use it effectively and efficiently. Then introduction to rapid typing tutor. So we will be studying one of the software, which is rapid typing tutor. Rapid typing tutor is a free and open source software, FOSS, designed to learn typing skills on the computer. It is free to use and share with others for free, but only by using the original distribution package. Learning is type of fun with the typing game included with rapid typing tutor. So what is rapid typing tutor? It is a free and open source software which is mainly used for typing, to learn the typing skills on the computer, and it is free of cost and we can share it for free. But what is the condition? That it is original distribution. Then touch tapping technique. Touch tapping improves the typing speed and accuracy. A touch typist never looks at the keyboard. A finger hits the right key by habit. The typist is entirely focused on text being typed, reading and word and phrases, and the finger type the text reflexively. Touch typing can be learned by performing special exercises. So what is touch typing technique? Touch typist never looks on the keyboard. He or she only focus on the text which is being typed and only see the words what they are typing. So first stage is stage 1 of the progress begin with learning the home row of the keyboard, the row beginning with the caps lock key. So first stage is we have to firstly run the home row of the keyboard. We have to learn with the caps lock key. Looking at the keyboard is strictly forbidden. You will never look on the keyboard while practicing for the touch typing. This is followed by learning the lower and upper cases, the number rows, upper letters, and the special symbols. Then stage 2 is it involves memorizing frequently used syllables and typing words containing these syllables. Then stage 3 is it involves typing actual text to perfect the skill required. Then touch typing rule. What are the rules? The F, D, S, E and JKL keys on the QWERTY keyboard. What is QWERTY? Why we call the keyboard as QWERTY? Because the starting keys are QWERTY. So it represents the base position. Keyboard usually have a small protrusion on the F and J key. They help your finger locate the base position without looking at the keyboard. Try to return your finger to the base position after each keystroke. So F, D, S, A and JKL are the keys on the QWERTY keypad which represent the base position. So you have to mainly focus on the base position. Coloring code shows which finger should press each key. See the picture above. So first you see the picture. Coloring code shows which finger should be pressed each key. The left index finger is reserved for all the red keys. So left index fingers, it is reserved for the red keys. The right index finger, it is reserved for the green keys. So for the fourth, use a thumb of the whichever hand is more convenient for you to press the space bar key. So you can use whatever hand thumb you want to use which is more convenient for you for the space bar key. The base position on the numeric keypad is number 5 key for the middle finger, 4 for the index finger and 6 for the ring finger. The numeric pad simplifies and speeds up the numerical data inputs. And then uppercase letter and symbols appearing on the keys in the number rows are typed by one hand with the little finger of the other hand holding down the shift key. Then do not look at the keyboard. Try to locate the right key with your finger. Then after configuring settings in Wizard, rapid typing main window will appear as shown in figure 2.14. You will be able to see in figure 2.14. Let us familiarize with the typing tutor interface. The window is composed of the following controls. So window is having what controls they are having? They are having taskbar. Taskbar, what is taskbar? It allows to set or change some basic options to start a lesson, such as keyboard layout, then level lesson and background. Then 3 horizontal button in the top right corner. Option about and help can display the corresponding dialogues. Then 3 vertical buttons in the top left corner, which is lesson statistics and lesson editors, which are used for switching between current lesson, user statistic and lesson editor. Then next is text panel. It is the area where the text to be typed is displayed. So where you have to type the text, it is being displayed in text panel. You can easily edit it in the lesson editor if necessary. You can easily edit it in the lesson editor if you want. Then lesson control panel, it includes the several controls to pause, resume and current lesson, enables disable sound and adjust the sound volumes. Then keyboard, it is a virtual keyboard that helps you to learn touch tapping with 10 fingers. You can customize in appearance with the lesson sections. Then begin lessons. To start your first lesson in the tapping tutor, you have to firstly select the keyboard layout. Then label a lesson category on the taskbar which is shown below. Then there are 4 drop down lists in the top left corner of the screen. Therefore, moving from left to right, the procedure will be as follows. Choose the layout. You have to, that is the language of the keyboard you have to follow. It's EN in the picture above. Then select a level. There are 3 levels available: introduction, beginners, beginners on the picture above. So in the picture it is given beginners. Specify lesson categories depending on the level choose. The available categories may vary. So finally choose a lesson that you want like to study. When everything is ready, press any key. Then put your finger in the initial position shown on the keyboard and start typing the text. So when everything is ready, then you press any of the key. Then you can put the initial finger in the initial position and you can start typing. There is also the lesson control panel just above the keyboard, from where you are suspend, resume and current lesson or adjust the sound effects. So buttons are given. To start resume the lesson, you have to click on this button just above the top left corner of the keyboard. Then pause is used to pause a lesson. You have to you have to click here. Button is shown here which displays instead of this play button. To restart the current lesson, you have to click on this button which is far top right button of the taskbar. To enable disable sound in the current lesson, you have to click on this button which is located above the top right corner of the keyboard and set the sound volume using the vertical slider. The note is given here. You can also set the background image for the text panel by choosing an option which is animation, wallpaper and plane from the drop down list of the taskbar which is on the top right corner of the window. While making your way through the lesson, you will probably mention 2 progress bar, which is one is green and another is yellow on the lesson control. So you will be able to see 2 bars, 2 progress bar which is green and yellow. The green progress bar upper shows a percentage of completion for the current lesson, and the yellow progress bar lower the reflects the acceptable time period for typing the single character. So green progress upper which is at the upper position will show the percentage of completion for the current lesson, and yellow will show the progress of the time period for the typing single character. Then when the yellow progress bar runs out at least once, and typing tutor records that you have broken the rhythm at this character. So we will study till here only in this presentation. Rest we will continue on the next presentation. Thank you.